Thank you for taking the time to view this virtual tour of my listing. If you have any questions or concerns about this property, please don't hesitate to contact me. N-unit townhouse in great condition and move-in ready. This 2-bedroom, 2 full bath listing has 10-foot walls throughout with vaulted ceilings in the main living area. The living room is open to the dining room/kitchen area and has huge windows for natural light, a gas fireplace and access to the deck. The large master, also with access to the deck, has loads of windows, a walk-in closet, a private bath with double sinks and a jetted tub. The second bedroom is separated from the master by the living room and is connected to the second bath for family and guest, or this room would make a very nice office and study area.